Hello class 11, this is your subject accountancy, chapter number 10, GST, lecture number 5th. Beta, in our last lecture, I taught you till question number 5th. Let's start question number 6th of this chapter. One more thing that is important, that they ask you to make payment of balance amount of GST as well. So you have to do calculation of GST as well in this question. Fine. See beta, in this question CGST and SGST is 9%. So let's start. First of all, you have to see past entries in the books of Rupani, fine, of Gujarat, and now first entry is of Rajasthan. Let's see. You know, Gujarat and Rajasthan are two different states. So I told you whenever it is state to state entry means purchase or sale entry, definitely will include IGST there. Fine. So here the amount is given 2 lakh. They are saying purchase goods for rupees 2 lakh from Suryakant of Jaipur on credit. So the entry will be purchases account debit to Suryakant's account, isn't it so? But it is from Gujarat to Jaipur, that is Rajasthan. Fine. So we will have to put IGST here. Fine. So the entry will be purchases account debit, input IGST account debit to Suryakant's account. So purchases amount is already given 2 lakh, input IGST 2 lakh का आप 18%, CGST SGST total calculate करके 18% will be IGST. So it will be 36,000, 2 lakh का 18%, 36,000 to Suryakant's account 2 lakh 36,000, and the narration will be purchase goods on credit. Second entry is they are saying sold goods for 1,50,000 to Mr. Pawar of Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the check received was sent to the bank. Here also we will have to use IGST. So the entry will be bank account debited to sales account to output IGST account. So sales account it is already given 1,50,000. So 18% of 1,50,000 will be 27,000. Fine. So finally the entry will be bank account debit to sales account to output IGST account, and the narration will be sold goods and received check. Bank account debit to sales account to output IGST account. Fine. So sales amount is already given here 1,50,000. We'll calculate 18% of 1,50,000, that is 27,000. So it will be like to sales account to output IGST account 27,000, and bank account both the amount total will be there 1,50,000 plus 27,000, that will be 1,77,000. And finally the narration will be sold goods and received check. Sold goods for 2,50,000 within the state on credit. Now beta, it is the entry within the state. State is not mentioned though, but still we will have to do debtors account debit to sales account to output CGST and SGST. Now here is the concept of CGST and SGST. So sales is amount is already given 2,50,000. So 9% of 2,50,000 will be 22,500. That will be output CGST. That will be credited with sale, and you know it will be also credited output SGST. That will be 22,500, and total amount that is 2,95,000 will go to debtor account. Fine. And here the narration will be goods sold on credit. Understood this entry? Because it is already given that it is done within the state on credit. That's why we have applied output CGST and output SGST. Is paid insurance premium of 20,000 by check. Beta, insurance premium, they have paid, definitely should not be without, means out of the state. It is within the state only, within that city in which they are living. So insurance premium account debited 20,000, input CGST account, input SGST account debited to bank account. So 20,000 का 9% will be input CGST, that will be 1800. 20,000 का 9% will be input SGST, that will be 1800. To bank account, total amount will go in bank account 23,600. And the narration will be paid for insurance premium. Fine. It is very easy. Next entry is also like purchase furniture for office for 60,000 by check. So, uh, beta, they have purchased furniture for office. Definitely, it could be within the state. If it would be without the state, they would have mentioned it. They wouldn't have mentioned it. That's why you have will treat like within the state. So they have purchased furniture. So office furniture account debited 60,000. Input CGST account, input SGST account debited. 60,000 का 9% will be 5,400 input CGST account, and input SGST account will be also the same 5,400 to bank account. All the total amount will be entered into bank account because they have paid by check. Fine. So the narration will be purchased office furniture. But now they are saying that you have to do payment of balance amount of GST. So first of all, we will have to see what is the amount of IGST, CGST and SGST. फाइन आईजीएसटी में से पहले हम आउटपुट आईजीएसटी में से इनपुट आईजीएसटी को ही डील करते हैं. उसके बाद जब हमारी लेफ्ट अमाउंट बचती है, वट एवर इज लेफ्ट विद अस, वी विल हैव टू कैलकुलेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सीजीएसटी देन एसजीएसटी. फाइन, पहले हम सेंट्रल को देते हैं, उसके बाद स्टेट को देते हैं. तो लेट्स सी हाउ विल डू दिस. See, it is common set of procedure. Output IGST is given 27,000. Fine. Input IGST है आपका how much? 36,000. So 9,000 is left with us. Fine. That 9,000 will be like to pay CGST, output CGST. Fine. First of all, we'll pay to output CGST, central government and state government. Fine, beta. So 9,000 is left at C, as you can see in the first column. 36,000 में से 27,000 we have already set against output to input. So the entry will be put IGST account debit to input IGST account 27,000. पहले यही एंट्री समझिए. फाइन. Total was 36,000. Out of that 27,000 we have adjusted. 9,000 we have balance amount with us. So that 9,000 we will adjust against CGST. उसके बाद बचता है तो SGST में adjust करेंगे, नहीं बचता है तो that's okay. Fine. Let's see. Now CGST and SGST. First of all, let's see CGST. Total amount is 22,500. Input IGST में adjust किया 9,000. Input CGST कितना है आपका 7,200. 22,500 में से 9,000 और 7,200 माइनस करेंगे तो आपका आएगा 6,300. वो आपका क्या है, पेबल है. फाइन. How would we do the entry? 6,300 will go to bank. So first of all, we'll do output CGST account debit 22,500. To input CGST 7,200. To input IGST का 9,000 जो 36,000 में से बचा था वो हमने यहाँ adjust किया है. Fine. To bank account 22,500 में से 7,200 माइनस करेंगे, 9,000 माइनस करेंगे, जो बचा वो आपका आएगा बैंक में. So the narration will be input tax credit availed and balance paid. Fine, beta. Eighth entry is देखिए, let's see one more working note again. Now there is turn of output CGS, output SGST. CGST we have already set it down. SG output SGST की जो अमाउंट है वो है हमारी 22,500. इनपुट IGST की अमाउंट हमने ऑलरेडी 9,000 सेट कर दी, उसके बाद नहीं बची तो इसमें डैश. इनपुट CGST की अमाउंट हमारे पास नहीं है तो इसमें डैश. अब इनपुट SGST हमारा कितना है, वो है हमारा 1800 प्लस 5400, वो है आपका 7200. तो पेबल अमाउंट जो है आपकी बची 22,500 में से आप 7200 माइनस करेंगे, दैट विल बी 15,300. दैट विल बी पेबल. फाइन. नाउ हाउ टू डू द एंट्री, लेट्स सी. Eighth entry. Output SGST account debit 22,500 to input SGST account 7,200 to bank account. Whatever the amount payable ना, वो बैंक में जाएगी 15,300. So finally the narration will be input tax credit availed and balance paid. Fine. So these are the settlement of IGST, CGST and SGST. Beta, you have to take into consideration and practice it again and again so that you will be confident enough to solve these questions. Fine. So total amount will be 8,74,400, both debit and credit side. Understood this question? Now here is question number 7. Let's see. Asking you to pass entries in the books of Mr. Jagdish Mishra of Lucknow, UP, assuming CGST 6% and SGST also 6%. See here, first of all, March 5th, purchase goods for 2,50,000 from Virender Yadav of Patna, Bihar. Fine. So here we'll apply like GST. Fine. See here, March 5th, purchases account debit 2,50,000 already given. Input IGST 30,000. That will be 6% CGST, 6% SGST. 12% of 2,50,000, 30,000. It will be included in input IGST. To Virender Yadav account, that will be 2,80,000. Fine. Narration will be purchase goods on credit. Here we see second entry is March 12, sold goods costing 60,000 at 50% profit to Pratap Sinha of Ranchi, Jharkhand. Here also we will have to do IGST beta. It is already clearly given. So Pratap Sinha account debited to sales account to output IGST account. सेल्स अकाउंट 60,000 का 50% प्रॉफिट, 60,000 का 50% 30,000, तो दैट विल बी अमाउंट 90,000. 60,000 प्लस 30,000 90,000. Output IGST account will calculate 18% of 90,000, that will be 10,800. And finally Pratap Sinha's account will be debited by 1,08,800. Beta, here I am repeating, we have calculated 90,000 का 12% output IGST, that will be 10,800. How 12%? 6% CGST and 6% SGST. Total will be 12%. So output IGST will be 12% of 90,000. Fine. So narration will be sold goods on credit. $30,000 from Ramnath of Kanpur, UP against check. यूपी का बेटा ये यूपी का ही बिजनेस है, ऊपर फर्स्ट लाइन में देखिए, और यूपी में ही कम कर रहे हैं ये वाली एंट्री, तो यहाँ पर हमारा क्या लगेगा, सीजीएसटी एंड एसजीएसटी. So finally, the amount will be purchases account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debited to bank account. Purchases में 70,000, input CGST 70,000 का 6% 4,200, SGST also same amount to bank account. Total of all three purchases, CGST and SGST, that will be 78,400. And the narration will be purchase goods against check. Next, see, they are saying March 18. See, sold goods at Varanasi, UP, means same state. Fine. costing 2,25,000 at 33 raised to 1 over 3% profit less state discount 10% against check which was deposited into bank. So how will solve it? Beta, beta first of all we will calculate 2,25,000 का 33 raised to 1 over 3% that is 100 over 3% that will be 75,000. 2,25,000 में 75,000 ऐड करेंगे वो आएगा आपका 3 लाख. फाइन. अब 3 लाख में इन्होंने बोला है ट्रेड डिस्काउंट भी माइनस करना है. 3 लाख में से 10% 3 लाख का ट्रेड डिस्काउंट माइनस करेंगे 30,000 वो आएगा आपका 2,70,000. तो 2,70,000 की जो आपने सेल की है वो आएगी आपकी सेल की अमाउंट में टू सेल्स अकाउंट. फाइन. Here it is given that check deposited into bank, इसलिए हमने बैंक को डेबिट किया है कैश को नहीं. फाइन. So bank account debited to sales account. I told you how is it come? 2,70,000 to output CGST to output SGST. Output CGST 2,70,000 का 6%. Same output SGST we will calculate and total amount will go in bank account and the narration will be sold goods against check. Fine. पेड रेंट 25,000 बाय चेक. रेंट पे किया है, रेंट हमारा एक्सपेंस है तो एंट्री विल बी रेंट अकाउंट डेबिटेड, इनपुट सीजीएसटी अकाउंट डेबिटेड, इनपुट एसजीएसटी अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. तो रेंट अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड बाय 25,000. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. इनपुट सीजीएसटी 25,000 का 6% दैट विल बी 1,500. इनपुट एसजीएसटी आल्सो 1,500 टू बैंक अकाउंट 28,000. फाइन. Now finally the settlement of GST. How would we do the payment of GST? Let's see. देखिए बेटा, we have output IGST and input IGST. Output IGST है हमारा 10,800. Input IGST है हमारा 30,000. तो 30,000 में से 10,800 हम ऑलरेडी निकाल देंगे जिससे हम एंट्री करेंगे आउटपुट IGST अकाउंट डेबिट टू इनपुट IGST अकाउंट. फाइन. 10,800. अब 30,000 में से आपने 10,800 माइनस किया, आपका लेफ्ट ओवर अमाउंट बचा 19,200. लेट्स सी, पहले उसको सीजीएसटी के अगेंस्ट सेट करते हैं. आपका आउटपुट सीजीएसटी है 16,200. इनपुट सीजीएसटी है आपका 5,700. हमारे पास अमाउंट कितनी बची थी 19,200 ना. तो इसमें से हम 10,500 सीजीएसटी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को दे देते हैं. तो वो उसे एंट्री करेंगे हम आउटपुट सीजीएसटी अकाउंट डेबिट 16,200 टू इनपुट सीजीएसटी अकाउंट 5,700 और जो अमाउंट बची वो इनपुट आईजीएसटी अकाउंट. फाइन. 10,500. तो एंट्री विल बी इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट अवेल्ड. जैसे हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में वर्किंग नोट किया था एज लाइक यू कैन डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन एज वेल. फाइन. इट्स वेरी इजी. So on the same date now we will have to set off SGST. अब हमें SGST को set off करना है. तो आउटपुट SGST है आपका 16,200. इनपुट SGST है आपका 5,700. फाइन. और हमारा इनपुट IGST का अमाउंट कितना बचा है 3,000. तो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट जो है वो कहाँ जाएगा आपका. रिमेनिंग अमाउंट आपका जाएगा बैंक में बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव नाउ इनफ अमाउंट टू पे इन मोर. फाइन. तो बाकी जो आपका अमाउंट जाएगा वो आपका जाएगा बैंक में. फाइन. दैट विल बी 7,500. अंडरस्टूड. तो सबसे पहले हम आउटपुट में से इनपुट आईजीएसटी को क्या करेंगे सेट ऑफ करेंगे. बेसिकली हम कहेंगे कि इनपुट में से आउट ऑफ को सेट ऑफ करेंगे. फाइन. जो भी अमाउंट हमारी बची उसमें हम क्या करेंगे पहले सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को पे करेंगे उसके बाद हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को पे करेंगे. तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को पे हमने कर दिया है. बाकी जो भी अमाउंट बची उसमें हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को पे कर देंगे. फाइन. So now the total amount will be 8,32,800. Fine. और वो the debit and credit side. Understood this question? Now your homework is you have to do these questions in fair notebook and do illustration as well of this chapter, illustration till illustration 7. Practice till illustration 7. Fine.